Welcome to the hands-free phone system.
Fuck.
The hands-free system is cancelled.
Oh, come on. So maybe we'll see something else. Where did they go? Photographer Olympics. What in the... Good morning, Wisconsin. Welcome back to another photo drive. Today, I have the day off, so I dropped the kids off, I loaded up the baby, I loaded up the A7 III with the Sony 200-600, and we are gonna go see what we can see today. I have one particular area in mind. I discovered there's a wildlife area behind, or actually kind of near my house, and there was lots of birds and wildlife there the last time I drove through it. So we're gonna check that out today, see what we can see there, and just go for a photo drive and see what we find. This is kind of cool what's happening right now. We have an airplane coming in. I don't know if it's gonna even show up on video. If I was smart enough, I would have pulled over back there and I could have snapped a shot of this airplane. It's gonna be like perfect timing. This doesn't happen every day. I don't know, can you guys see that up there? Say hi. Well, that was interesting. My door just popped open. You guys see that? I have never had that happen. This is creating some really cool lighting. I shot those grain bins in the last video from way on the other side of this road. But I'm seeing it in this light, how the sun is at a higher angle hitting it. And I might take this next left up here to see if I have a different shot of these guys. Which I think I do, actually. I might, oh, maybe this is why. Someone must be burning. It's like smoky. Yeah, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna pull over here, I think. I'm gonna try to shoot them here at least. We got a big tractor coming our way too again. All right, here we go. First shot of the day. There we go. All right, so get these green bins first. Get this big tractor coming. Maybe he'll wave. All right, let's get out of the way before this tractor comes. Actually, I'm gonna turn around for the first time today because I saw a horse back here that was kind of a unique composition. Let's see if I can grab it. Hopefully it didn't move. It's actually gonna be a hard shot to get because he's in the fence line, but I think if I pull over right here, I got it. Let's see if I can get this guy. Now he's looking at me, so I don't know if that's good or bad. Landscape of this guy. There. Feel good with those shots. I'm gonna turn around again because I saw a couple what looked like ducks back there. The tricky thing is going to be not to spook them. So I might even stop back here before this bridge. See if I can sneak up on them, because they're in the water, obviously. I might even put my camera into silent mode. Oh, there's some ducks right there, actually. See if I can grab these guys. Oh, they spooked. I got a few up here, though. Oh, yeah, I can see them. Here we go. Haha, okay. Okay, we got a goose here. Let's see if we can grab him. As a car's coming. So I got a truck coming, so hopefully that doesn't spook him. I'm gonna shoot through these trees to see if I can frame them. I'll wait for this truck to go, so hopefully it doesn't spook them. Not a care in the world. As long as he's playing nice with us, I'm gonna see what other shots I can get here. Oh, there's one down below. Is there anything else here that I can grab quick? Oh, now they don't like me. Alright. We'll let them be. That was crazy. Well, I got the shot that I wanted there. That goose up on that tree stump, I guess you'd call it. Ducks back there. I'm going to turn around. Okay, we're gonna pull over right here. I think I saw some. Oh yeah, there's a mallard right here. I thought I saw another. Too much because I don't want to spook these guys. There they go. Then I saw it's a goose nesting, it looks like here. Mama goose. I got daddy goose sitting there too, watching. Get a better shot of her. I'm gonna go up here a little bit. Once again, I'm trying to keep my distance because I don't want to disturb them or make them mad. So she is watching me just like a hawk here. All right, well, we got this moon. Here we go. And we got Big Puppy here, standing proud. Ducks keep landing over there. It's cold out this morning. It's 32 degrees outside. Ooh. So I'm kind of bummed. Like I said, a week ago I came up this way. There are two bald eagles out in this field right up here to the left, and it looks like they're feeding on a deer carcass. And they landed in this big tree up here, I don't know, maybe 20 feet off the ground. Even if I stopped, they probably would have scattered because when I drove through it, they flew away. But nothing today. And I'm not seeing my cranes today. Oh, that's part of exploring, I guess. You never know what you're going to get. There's some ducks right there. Probably fly away, though. We'll see if we can get them.
Welcome to the hands-free phone system.
Fuck.
The hands-free system is canceled.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I wasn't going to spook them away with that. I don't know what will. Okay, we're going to see. I'm going to try to get my tracking on. Oh, yeah, they all fucking fly. I wonder if they'll land upriver a little bit, though. Nothing. Okay. Okie dokie, on the road again. Well, man, I'm a little bummed. I didn't expect just to get some geese today. At least in that area, so I'm gonna keep driving. I've only been doing this for about half an hour. There's bound to be more photo opportunities. I promise you. We'll find something. What in the fudge sickle sticks is going on here? Oh my god. Okay, I don't even know how to describe this, so I'm gonna go up here a little bit and pull over. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to shoot through this thick stuff, but this looks like a hillbilly shooting range right here. Let's see if I can grab a few photos quick. I don't even know if I can. It's pretty thick. What in the hell? What else we got back there? I mean, it's just a bunch of stuff, huh? I think I hear a car coming. I want to shoot and get the heck out of here because I don't know what this is. That is crazy. You come looking for wildlife and you find mannequins in the middle of the woods. What in the heck? I have to come back and shoot that at like dusk. That would be pretty spooky. Not at this time of day. Well, still it's kind of scary at this time of day, but right at dusk I think that would be a good photo op. I don't know, what do you guys think that was? To me it looked like a hillbilly shooting range. I don't know what in the hell it was, but I don't care to stick around to find out. Got a bunch of seagulls up here in this field. They must have just recently planted or plowed this field. So I'm gonna get turned around and grab some shots of them. There are plenty of them to choose from. Oh, that was a bit of a drop off. I was not expecting that. Pull over here. Let this truck by if they're gonna by. Alright, there we go. I didn't think they'd be so skittish. Some silos back there. Those are kind of cool looking. Not what I intended on shooting when I was here, but why not? When in Rome, right? I'm gonna stop down too. Go to F11. Okay, well, we scared all the seagulls away too. See, this property over here is kind of cool. I like that flag flying high above that barn. All right. Oh my gosh, I am sorry. I haven't even eaten anything today. Straight up tea. Ugh, I got the tea burps. Oh yeah, there's this building up here that I thought was cool. The Windmill is casting a really cool shadow on this property that I'm going to take a picture of. Fortunately, I do think I am a bit close. Another thing that's cool is that moon is in the background right now, so maybe I can get that if I'm lucky. Let's see, how do I shoot this? I think I gotta go low. Let's see, can I get the moon and everything in there? The moon is there. That is actually, I think, going to be a pretty cool shot. I'll edit that up in post, try to make that moon pop a little bit. I drove by that earlier, and because I turned around for those seagulls, I'm heading back in this direction, and I'm not going to pass that opportunity up again. The way that the light was, actually the shadow was hitting on that little, I don't know what that is, little barn, the windmill, casting that shadow caught my eye before, but then coming this way and seeing the moon in the background, I mean, it's too good of a composition to pass up. I actually might turn around and get it straight on too. It's pretty cool looking. Let's do that. I think right here. All right, let's try this again. That's so cool. I'm gonna try to get low. We got a car coming, so we're gonna hop in. All right, so things are picking up now. We got a few shots that I'm decently happy with. I've been out here for an hour. I do want to shoot a little bit longer, maybe like another half an hour or so, see what we can see. I don't think I have that one shot of the day. I don't know. That might change when I get back into the iPad and start editing these, but as of right now, I'm gonna push onward and see what else I can find today. Oh, come on. Come on. See, everything happens for a reason. There's a crane. Found my crane. Just one though. Usually they come in pairs. This is gonna be a tricky shot, and I'm gonna probably have to park it back here a little bit because I don't want to spook. He was actually right off the road here. I don't want to spook him. Except I don't remember where he was at. Oh, right here. Oh, there he goes too. Right in front of us. Just land. Just land. Where you going, buddy? Damn it, he was right there. Not quick enough. Well, okay, now we're going back this way. So maybe we'll see something else. And that crane did fly over this way, so maybe we'll see him again. Who knows? Golly. That's what I was looking for, too. That was what I thought I would find back in the wildlife area. There he is. He decided he wanted to land in that field. Oh, shit, there's a few of them back here. Okay, we gotta turn around. I saw 3. Only thing is I don't like this road. There's not much shoulder here to get off the road. But we'll try. All right, 3 cranes. I gotta get one of them. Don't spook them. Wish I could get closer, and I don't like that backdrop. That'll have to do for now. Not the shots that I wanted. We'll take them. Alright, on the way home, just saw 2 pheasants, a male and a female. I'm gonna see if I can shoot them. They're in the shade here. I don't want to spook them. There it's in the sun a little bit. There we go. gonna be the only shot I get of them. Oh, it went right in. Okay. We got these honkers. They want me to take their picture again. I got plenty of pictures of you guys. Okay. All right, let's get turned back around and go home. Oh, there's our cranes up there now too. Maybe I just had to wait a little bit. Wildlife's coming out now. Cranes are way back there though. I don't think I'll be able to get a decent picture of them. Here comes one flying in now too. I think that crane's gonna land. We'll see. We'll see if that turns out. They're pretty far away. I'd say they're 150, 100 yards away. There's my cranes. I'm going to sneak up on them because they got a loud baby. More cranes. These are the cranes I saw with this shallow water, marshy area. Let's see if I can go back here and get them. Where did they go? There they are. I've got a lot of thick brush to shoot through though. And I don't see any good opening. Maybe right here. Pretty decent. Get low and shoot through. Shooting through a lot of brush though. I don't even know if these are going to be in focus. A lot of brush. Alright, I got a few shots. I'm happy with those. Had to walk quite a ways though. Get back up. Baby's probably yelling at me. Photographer Olympics. Yeah. Oh baby. I think we got some shots that I'm actually a little bit more happy with now. Who would have thought it was going to be on the way home? So, note to self, don't come out right away in the morning. Some of those bigger birds like to sleep in, apparently. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I think that's gonna about do it for me today. If you've enjoyed what I've thrown down today, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, so you can come along on the next photo drive. Until next time, keep shooting, keep creating. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.